Hey guys, Tech Yeti here, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up buttons on your iPhone to automate Google Home tasks rather than saying them to your Google Home. This comes in pretty handy when you need to make a command at 2 a.m. to turn the lights on. You don't want to hit that button, that switch on the wall, or the button to turn the lights on. You're just laying in bed and you need to turn the light on. For some reason, you just need to turn it on. All I have to do is swipe over here, go to my shortcuts, and turn bedroom lights on. That's it, and it's that simple. So, let's get to it. Alright, so we're at the home page, and let me just start off by saying we're going to be using the Shortcuts app, and the Shortcuts app can be downloaded on the App Store. And we're also going to be needing Google Assistant as well as Google Home and any other device that works with Google Home. But for some reason, the Shortcuts app does not allow you to actually put in the commands for Google Assistant. It reads what Google Assistant has done in the past. Like it caches all of the commands that you've given it. So these are all the ones that I've actually typed in or said to my Google Assistant on my phone. So when we're setting it up, we just want to make sure that we have the Shortcuts widget first. So we're going to go left. And we want to make sure that the shortcuts comes right up here at the top, just so it's an easy way to hit the button. So we're going to go all the way down to the bottom, then we're going to do edit. And just for craps, we'll see that it's not there. And we'll go all the way down to shortcuts. We'll add it. And then wherever you guys want it, if you have anything else, sports scores, calendar, whatever. I like mine at the top, so decide where you want it, and we'll click done. And it'll show up right there. So now we'll head back over, and normally you would think that you would go to the Shortcuts app, but we want to be able to have the shortcuts know what Google Assistant can do. So we first have to tell our Google Home what the commands we need to be, and we're going to type them into the Google Assistant. So I've been playing around with it, but we're going to hit the keyboard, or you can talk to it, whatever way you want, but I'm going to hit the keyboard just to show you guys. And I'm going to make a shortcut that says movie time. And it's going to shut the living room lights off. And it's going to turn the LED light behind the TV on to 100% bright red. So we'll turn off living room lights. So now it knows that command. And then we'll turn on living room LED light to color red, brightness 100%. And of course that didn't work. So let's just do turn on LED light in living room. Change LED light to 100%, and then change LED light to color red. Sure. Alright, so I just turned around and everything seems to be working correctly. So I'm going to just turn on the lights just because. So. Alright, there we go. Lights are back on. So let's head over to the Shortcuts app now. And we're first going to name it. And we're going to name it Living Room Movie Time. Or we'll just do Living Room Movie. And we can change the icon. I want this to be red. And we're going to find something that, just something that'll work. And we will choose this for the movie time. And we'll hit done. And we want to make sure that add in widget is on. So it shows up in the widget in the shortcuts. And we'll hit done. So now we're going to go to Assistant. We'll just say that it wasn't there, okay? And we're going to go to the search bar. For some reason, it doesn't show up here. So you actually have to go to the search bar and make sure that Google Assistant is actually on. And we'll click it. And we're going to find the commands that we just typed in or said to Google Assistant on our phone. So I need to find turn off living room lights. And then we're going to do change LED light to 100 and then change LED light to color red. And the cool thing is here, you can actually set commands to wait a few seconds if you want, or you can put some code into it and it can do anything else really. But if we see here that we can do wait, and we can wait 1 second, we can wait 3 seconds in between each of these steps. But we don't need to do that. So we're going to click done, and we see that the living room movie is there. Okay, so we're going to go home, we're going to head over, and we'll do show more, and there's the living room movie. So all of my lights are on, and I'm going to click living room movie. It's going to turn us into the app, and there we go. Turned around, and everything is working properly. It's literally that simple. And the biggest thing that you have to do is you just have to make sure that you type in the commands, go into the Shortcuts app, and then find the commands that you typed into it or said to it in your Google Assistant. For some reason, Shortcuts doesn't allow you to actually put in what you want it to do. So you have to do it into Google Assistant and then pick the ones in the drop-down menu. But that's it. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments below. Hit that like button if you liked what I did. Hopefully I did it quick enough for you guys to be able to know how to do it. I hate when YouTube videos drag on longer than they need to, and you just have to kind of search through the video. So hit that like button, subscribe to me. This is my first video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And, take care and have a great new year.